Hello friends, it's Leanna. It's BoxyCharm time! This month I got the base box and I got the premium box, so we're going to unbox both of them and compare which one is a better value. I'm going to get right into the unboxing. At the end of the video, I will explain the difference between the base and the premium box and what the prices are for anybody that's interested. The theme for BoxyCharm this month is Fresh Start. Every box comes with a card. It has the products listed with a little bit of information and the price point on each. The first thing in the box is this micellar water from Advanced Skincare. It's a biphase hyaluronic acid rejuvenating micellar water. This is a makeup remover, and I can see that the top of it, you see the different colors. This darker blue here is oil. The bottom is water. So this is to remove waterproof makeup, which is very hard to get off. I like these type of makeup removers. They're very gentle on the skin. Of course, after you remove your makeup, you still need to double cleanse to get all of the makeup out of your pores. This comes in at a whopping $90. Holy cow. Yeah, I will not be buying this, but I will happily use it for $90. Ooh-wee. Next is this eyeshadow palette from Ciate London. I believe this is a new palette from them. It's very cute packaging. It's called the Velvet palette, and the packaging does feel very smooth. Those colors are very pretty. I love the texture on the top of the different shadows. I don't know why I find that so appealing, but I'm just going to do a couple of finger swatches. Ooh, they're very, very buttery. This is a 12 pan palette, and it features a mix of metallics, shimmers, and mattes. It's very pretty. I don't know if the camera is doing it justice. This retails for $30. The base box is $25, so with a $90 makeup remover and a $30 palette, we've well exceeded the money that we've already invested. Next up is this Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. It's got moringa and papaya in it. And I see the bunnies, so they're cruelty-free. It's an oil-free, silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without feeling greasy. And this retails for $38. Cute little jar. Smells very fresh. Very hydrating, absorbed into the skin, nice and easy, no greasiness at all. Next we have Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. It is an anti-aging cream, of course, to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness. It's for all skin types, and this retails for $82. My goodness. I'm not going to open it. I'm sure it doesn't have a smell. You know I have to smell everything. Next we have Bali Balm. It is sweet orange and coconut lip balm. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, and the coconut is a natural emollient. It has the essentials in there, sweet orange and coconut. This retails for $33. My goodness, this is a pricey box to be a base box. Comes in a cute little tube, and it has the little applicator tip on it. I'm gonna put just a little bit of that. It is very thick and it smells wonderful. Oh my goodness. Feels really, really nice. I'm going to definitely enjoy that. So those are all of the items in the base box. I'm going to move on to the premium box before I tell you what the value of the base box is. The premium box also comes with a card that has all of the products on it with a little information about them and the price point on each. We're going to get right into what's in the January premium box. First up is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask, and I can tell you I've already received an email from BoxyCharm about this mask, saying that some of the BoxyCharm customers have complained of having a little bit of irritation from using this mask. I do not have sensitive skin, and things like this don't normally bother me. So we'll see what happens. This can be used as a nightly mask or a daytime moisturizer. It is supposed to help tired, stressed, dry skin, and this retails for $48. Comes in a nice little purple tube. I don't like these tubes that have these types of caps. I have paint that has these types of caps on it, and they really are a pain. It's very creamy. Doesn't really have a smell to it. Unless I got the Rona again. Absorbed very well into the skin. My skin in that area definitely looks nice and hydrated. We'll see if that causes me any irritation when I try it on my face. Next up is this Ofra palette, and I had already heard that every premium box was going to have this palette in it. Ofra is a very nice brand. This is a mini full face palette. It has warm shimmers and fresh neutrals, it says. It has Ofra's best-selling highlighters. They're very well known for their highlighters, and those of you that know me know that I am a highlighter junkie. So I'm excited about that. This retails for $39. And I love that most of the palettes come with this little protective, like mylar sheet. I like that theirs has a cover. That's very nice because it's fitted and it won't slip off. It also has a magnetic lid, which is very satisfying. Love that. Very pretty colors. I'm gonna have to stick my finger in that highlighter. I love this green. Very buttery feeling. Don't know if you can see that, but that's a very pretty highlighter. I gotta do the green too. Oh, look at that green. Very, very pretty. The colors in this palette can be used as an eyeshadow, a bronzer, or on your cheeks. And then we have Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Retouch Setting Powder. This is supposed to not flash back when you're taking photos. It doesn't give that shine. It is supposed to blur your fine lines and your pores. This retails for $32. The shade I have is Lavender. It comes in very pretty packaging. I really like that. It's definitely plastic, but it looks like glass. Very, very pretty. It also comes with a cap that will fit down into the little shaker holes and seal those off so that powder doesn't go everywhere. Pulling that off, it does have a little bit of a lavender tint to it. The protective cover is really easy to get on there. I'm looking forward to using that and see if it does any blurring. I got lots of stuff that needs to be blurred. Did I say this retails for $24? If I didn't, there you go. And then we have this Ren Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. Removes makeup, SPF, and pollution. It's derived from natural products. It starts off as a jelly, and then as you cleanse and add a little water to it, it turns into like a milky consistency. This retails for $32. It is extremely rare for me to wear anything waterproof. I do not use waterproof mascara because it will make my eyelashes come out, but I will still use this. And then speaking of mascara, the next thing in the box is this mascara by Fenty Beauty. It is a volume lift and curl mascara. It's supposed to have an exclusive flat to fat brush, and I don't see anything about whether it's waterproof or not after I was just saying that I don't do waterproof. So let's take a look at the brush and see what the flat to fat looks like. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I see. You see how fat the brush is? And then it's flat. Fat and flat. That's very interesting. That retails for $24. And then the last thing in the box is the Silver Pure Makeup Remover Cloth. It is silver infused microfiber, silver infused. Remove makeup with the antibacterial, anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. silver. Silver infused. So how does the silver stay in the cloth? That's like those aloe infused socks. How do they get the aloe to stay in there? Ooh, that is super soft. Wow. And this retails for $30 for one. I hope it does my dishes after it cleans my face. Doesn't have a smell to it, just in case you were wondering, because you know I sniff. So those are all the items in my base and my premium BoxyCharm box for January. And now I'll tell you what the value of each box was. The base box, which comes with 5 full-size products, is $25 a month, and this month's box value is $273. It is so worth the $25 that you spend for it. The premium box has 6 full-size products in it, and the premium box comes in at $205. The premium box costs you $35 a month. I mean, if you pay the $25 and do the base box, $273 worth of product for $25. You don't necessarily even need to do the premium box, but I mean, come on. For $60, you get almost $480 some dollars worth of skincare and makeup products. And it's things that you would possibly never buy. I would never buy this. But now that I'm trying it, I may love it and may end up buying it. And just like the Ofra, I mean, you're getting top-notch products. This is not a sponsored video. I have my own subscription to BoxyCharm. They did not send me these. I will leave the BoxyCharm website linked down in the description box below, just in case you're interested in signing up. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me to watch my BoxyCharm unboxing. If you're new around here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and I hope that you'll consider subscribing and ring that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, maybe you need to get you a beauty box subscription. Tell your sister to buy you a BoxyCharm. Mama loves you.